You don't need to make dough, and it's ready in few minutes. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 crushed garlic cloves, and let's fry. Now add 1 chopped onion, half chopped peppers. Stir again. Stir until it starts to brown. Add 200 grams of ground beef. For seasoning, I use salt to taste. Black pepper also to taste. Now stir again until the minced meat is browned. After that, add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce and stir again. Now add chives to taste. As soon as the chives wilt, you can remove them from the heat and set aside this meat on the side. You will need 10 to 15 slices of loaf bread. With a knife, remove all edges. After remove it, with the help of a rolling pin, we will need to smash this bread very well. So it's already perfect. Now, with a little water, I'm going to wet both sides of the edge so we can glue this bread together. Here the process is very simple. Let's do it in a funnel format. Just glue one part of the bread to the other. Press to stick well and not open when frying. Now let's fill the bread. The amount of filling is to taste, but be careful not to overfill. Wet the top part of the bread again and just stick the 2 parts together. Okay, it was perfect. Now just pass the eggs and then the breadcrumbs. After breading, just fry in a hot oil. Guys, our bread duff savory is ready. It's delicious, super tasty, and best of all, dry. I hope you enjoyed. It was another little recipe here from the Poo in the Kitchen. That's strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.